Hi, I'm Christian Anthony Basilio, and this is my output number 3. For me, I believe that leaders are made and developed through experience and learning, according to the process or transformational theory. According to the trait theory, it says that leaders are born with natural characteristics such as courage, intelligence, self confidence, and strong communication skills. This theory seems to suggest that leadership is only for natural born leaders, that not everyone can be a leader because not everyone is born with these traits. But on the other hand, according to the process or transformational theory, leadership is a process. This means that anyone can learn to become an effective leader as long as they are willing to learn, listen, and grow. Here, experience, learning, and self awareness are given more value than the traits you were born with. I believe more in the transformational theory because in real life, I know many people who weren't naturally brave or confident. But because of what they went through and the lesson they learned, they become great leaders. For example, Leni Robredo, she wasn't originally a politician. She was a lawyer and a simple housewife before. Because of her experience in the community, in serving others, and in facing various challenges, her leadership abilities were developed. She may not have been born a leader, but we saw how she grew and became an inspiration to many Filipinos. As for myself, I don't believe I was born a leader. I admit that I used to be shy and unsure when it came to making decisions for others. But over time, I've learned through group work, talking to people, and even through my mistakes. Now, I am more confident and I better understand how to lead with compassion and respect. That's why for me, being a leader isn't something destined. It is something you work hard for. You don't have to be a born leader to lead. You just need to be open to learning, listening, and serving others. That's all. Thank you.